Sales funnels. Now, what is a sales funnel? And what's the best way to use a sales funnel?
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
So we're getting ready for a bunch of product launches in 2019. The year's about to start, or if you're watching this video, it probably already actually started. Welcome to 2019. We're launching a lot of sales funnels. We're launching a lot of products, services, different things like that, and so we have to create a variety of sales funnels. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, join the notification squad, so you can stay up to date when we launch new videos, which is every single week. Now, what is a sales funnel and how can you use it inside of your business? So a sales funnel is basically a few different things, but the easiest way to say it is an ascension path of selling you different things. For example, let's say that you're doing something in high ticket and your goal is to take people through an application. It is a system. The whole thing turns into a system, right? A little flywheel that kind of works upon itself. A sales funnel basically takes you like this. In the high ticket space, it would be value. I create value in a video, and then I lead you into a lead magnet. And if you want to know what a lead magnet is, I've made a video right here. And so that lead magnet gives you something of value. I've now taken your email. I take you into another conversation on email, or I'll upsell you potentially into some sort of offer. Now, if I don't, normally in the high ticket scenario, I will take you to some sort of an application. The application leads you to fill out the application. After the application, if you fill it out, we schedule a time to work together, have a conversation about if it's a good fit, and that is it. There's some intricacies that happen in this. If you say no, we have a retargeting sequence. If you go on email, we have a different series of emails sending you content and videos on concepts and things that make sense in your industry to help you further the decision in trying to fill out the application and work with us. So that is a high ticket sales funnel. Can you do lower ticket things? 100%. You could do a lead magnet into a smaller offer. Let's just say $37. This would be an Ascension funnel. After the $37, you have a one-time offer. It means, hey, you're only gonna see this offer one more time. It's in this sales funnel. And let's just say that that's $67 or $97. Then you buy that thing. And then oftentimes there's even another upsell, right? You're just ascending people through a path of a logical step in something that you're particularly selling. So if I was selling fitness products or supplements, I would say, hey, here's a lead magnet, 10-day keto checklist. You get the checklist and I say, hey, if you really wanna work in improving your keto, this is a system that we built that helps people get into ketosis and get in great shape in 60 days. Boom, you take that. Then the next logical step would say, hey, if you want to really accelerate your results, you would want to try these supplements or particularly maybe this coaching or something like that. And then you sell them again. Lead funnels and sales funnels are helping you build a conversation with someone, ascend you into a situation and a path that creates a conversation of either sale immediately or sale through some sort of an application so you can continuously bring in leads. This is how you're able to scale. We can go a lot more deeper into these things, and I will in other videos, but if you wanna know more, jump into our Facebook group, guys. Let me know below if you are in our Facebook group right now and what kind of sales funnels you're selling already, or if you need help, I'll jump into the comments and I'll try to help as many people as possible. As always, guys, subscribe, join the notification squad, and we will see you guys on another video.